Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something special, bread, and I will just call it a cranberry with cream cheese loaf. Although I will also use some walnuts and some raisins, no? But we will make bread. So you have here 5 cups of bread flour. We have 1.5 cups of water, 1/4 cup powdered milk, 1/3 cup butter, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 and 1/4 teaspoons yeast, 2 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt. So what we will do is we will simpon tanan. Ay, dry. Ay, we will need this hook. No? Okay, so ano obrahunta? We'll add everything. We'll just mix everything. Mix, beauty. Okay. Ay, hala, sorry. And then, we add in the powdered milk. And then, we add in the yeast. And then, we add in the sugar. And then, we add the lugay-lugayon tanay. And then, we will add the salt. So, good luck lang da sa inyo. Kamasinimpon ka mo da. And then, we'll add water. Ta-da! And then, we will add the attachment. No? So, this one is noisy. So, I will just turn off the camera and then show you once it's thoroughly mixed. Grabe, pamalas ko ba? Okay, so I have removed this one. Now, we will transfer it in this one bowl. Tangan kasang oil. Ay, tani brush ni. This versatile spatula. Okay. Now, I will transfer this in our oiled surface. Ay, lang. Ah, grabe, di ka pangaway siya. Kabugat. Okay. So, I will make this into ball. I will just fold it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I will put it here. And then I will put it here. Okay. Now, ay nag-iubos na ni oil today. Okay. So, stay beautiful. Okay. And then, I will use I will wrap this in cling wrap. Okay. And then, I will, nari na siya, no? Uri lang ditong mess all over. And then, I will cover this with this one. And then, we will wait for 1 hour until the dough doubles in size. Okay, so dali lang. We will wait for 2 hours. Dali lang. So while waiting for our dough to rise, now I will just add in lukewarm water, do init-init kamay, this cranberry, dried cranberries, and then, this is about a cup, and then also some raisins. That's all. We let it soak until they become plump and juicy. We will just put this later. This one is chopped walnuts. And then I'm trying to soften the cream cheese. So see you later. Hi guys, look! Yay! Ooh! Tas taas! It's more than double. Dali lang gid ha. Pero, I will prepare another filling. The filling, I will use cream cheese and half of this. Yan. This is raisins and cranberry. I do not know where is raisins. Are cranberry? Siguro ini raisins anyway. So we have here, mix na lang ni sila. That's when we will put this inside as filling of our bread. Sige, paigat lang na karon na. I'm so excited about this. Come on, baby. Woo! Hey! There. So, I'm using food grade gloves. This time, we will add this and the walnuts. Yan. Yee! Teka sadya. It's my first time to do this. Nakita ko ba lang sa may bread talk na may amon? Okay. Okay, so I will put it here. Wow. And then, let us weigh. So that, I'll just scrape. I have prepared 2 pans. Now, I lined it with parchment paper. Loaves. 2 loaves. Now, we will weigh para nga they will be of equal weight. May kasadya, no? Mag-usik-usik. Okay, what is this? What's the weight? It is 40, 50. So, pag 25, 25. If this is 25, kulang pa. 22. Okay, perfect. So what I will do is, okay na ni. I will not use the rolling pin. I have rolling pin here, pero hindi lang. Masadya niyo. Ay, what about the filling? Paano ko na siya isunod ang filling? I have to, esensya lang gid ha, kay nakita ko lang ni balaan sa may bread talk. So, I will just, kuno abi, ka isrot, no? Okay, ini. I use this. Okay. I am on safe grounds. Pero ini, wala tunga mayo. Bala ka mo dyan. Yan. This is cream cheese with, okay, so, dali na kita. Kuksun tani. Ay, ala, nagisi. Ay, wala ko na agin pain. Nalipat ko. Excited. Okay. So, this is it. Yan. Okay, so I will put it here. And then, wala tunta naman siya mag-rise. No? Another hour. So, I will cover it. Not with plastic wrap anymore. Yan. Eee! So, I still have to do the second one. So, dali lang, ha? Okay. Oh, init. Oh, it's so hot. Freshly out of the oven. But you know, this bread is nice with this butter. Okay. Yeah. So, this is how our bread looks like. This is unsliced. This is sliced bread. So, here is it. So, thank you for watching. Kaon pa, everyone. Bye.